Hello, 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 hello. Sana naririnig nyo ako. I just wanna say quick disclaimer, napaka-long overdue na nitong vlog na to. Like, May 18 kami nag-swimming. Tas June na, sis, napakatagal. Kasi na-busy ako sa research namin. Tapos pagkatapos ng research namin, immediately, pagkatapos ng research namin, like May 31, nilagnat ako. Tas nagdugo pa yung ilong ko. So, pagpasensyahan niyo na this vlog is very long overdue. Pero sana mag-enjoy pa rin kayo kahit very short vlog lang to. Mahalata talagang first time. Bakit naman na lighting dito?
Always slay, di ba?
Anyway, yun lang. Ang pangit talaga ng quality pag madilim.
Nakalimutan kong mag-vlog, pasensya na. Ang gulo na, di ba?
Dinner. Kasi hinihintay namin yung menudo. Pakatagal ng menudo, guys.
I just want to dedicate this segment of the video to my future husband. Marrying me is not for the weak. Because if we were to have a family reunion together with my family, 8:15 you're gonna have to bear with the fact that you're gonna hear my relatives singing in the karaoke. It's 8:20. Oh my god. Because if that in itself is already a big deal of a problem, bitch. The reunion is gonna be the cause of our divorce. And that's not great. Also, like, if you're not the type of person to drink, don't drink. What do you call that thing again? Johnny Walkers with fucking Coke. I took 3 of that, and then the night that I was going to sleep, bitch, I got knocked the fuck out.